Angels on assignment. Angels on assignment. Angels on assignment. It's going to be 3 days of powerful prophetic healing and deliverance at the prayer line. In the 6th month, God sent an angel into the city of Galilee in a village called Nazareth. In this 6th month of June 2021, there will be a 3 days prophetic healing and deliverance at the prayer line with God's general Apostle Victor HOUNKPATI. The man of God is going to pray for you one-on-one at the prayer line.
In Jesus' name, yes, my God. Over to you. The love of the Spirit. In Jesus' name, yes, my God. And it's touching you right now,
Day, Friday 4th through Sunday 6th June 2021, and on Saturday 5th June 2021 there will be a distribution of supernatural handkerchief mantle. Sunday 6th of June 2021, the grand finale, there will be a distribution of blessed water from the altar. Venue, Hand of God Church of All Nations, Nazareth Land, Joji, Volta Region, Ghana. Time 8 a.m. daily. For inquiry, booking and counseling, please call +233 244 151 563 or +233 507 223 727 or +233 268 562 054. Host Apostle Victor HOUNKPATI. The angel of God is on assignment to bless you. Don't miss the 3 days powerful prophetic healing and deliverance service at the prayer line. Jesus is Lord forever.